One more royal welcome awaited Her Majesty as the Britannia aircraft landed at the airport of Bangalore. The Maharaja of Mysore, the state of which Bangalore is the capital, received the Queen and Duke. As governor, he bade the royal guests welcome with the unaffected warmth and courtesy to be found everywhere in India. The mayor of Bangalore was there on behalf of the city. It fell to the Maharaja to present the bouquet and to the distinguished-looking, splendidly attired mayor to garland the Duke. The visit coincided with the 150th anniversary of the Bible Society of India and Ceylon, whose national headquarters are at Bangalore. Appropriately, the Queen was presented with a Bible translated into Hindi. That is only one of the 125 Indian languages into which the Book of Books has been rendered. Though Bangalore is in southern India, it was having one of the comparatively cool days it enjoys because of its altitude. While not being a hill town, it stands 3,000 feet above sea level. Enough to have made it, in the old days, a favorite holiday place of the British in India. No one who goes to Bangalore neglects to visit the Lal Bagh, perhaps the finest botanical gardens in the entire country. By planting a sapling, Her Majesty commemorated her visit. Lal Bagh is the Kew Gardens of Mysore. At various times, experts from Kew have gone there to give help and advice. Hence the wealth of English flowers grown there. The roses could hardly be bettered. With the Queen's visit, Bangalore timed a horticultural show. Indians love making gifts. How pleasing was the old woman's proffering of a mango. Undoubtedly, the climate of Mysore makes it the fruit grower's paradise. And how obviously proud of their success were those who won prizes. The visit to Lal Bagh afforded the Queen some of her most pleasant memories of Mysore.